Helo, Meryl Walters dwi a dwi'n cael y fraint o weithio gyda rhai o Gristnogion ifanc Cymru. So as we approach St. David's Day, let's pray for young Christians all across Wales using Paul's prayer for the Ephesians that God may strengthen them with power through his Spirit in their inner being so that Christ may dwell in their hearts through faith. Let's also pray that they may have power to grasp how wide and long and high and deep is the love of Christ, and to truly know this love that surpasses knowledge, that they too may be filled to the measure of all the fullness of God. Dewch ni weddio hefyd dros y rhai sydd yn gweithio gyda Cristnogion ifanc ar draws ein gwlad. Y byd nhw yn y tymor ansicr yma yn profi nerth newydd ac arweiniad yr arglwydd wrth iddynt barhau i wasanaethu, i annog ac i fuddsoddi y mywydau'r pobl ifanc yma. Diolch yn fawr iawn.